For years, wall graffiti have been a serious problem for city dwellers and local government officials. These acts of vandalism are rampant everywhere, from city centres to far-flung suburbs, dirtying and defacing the cement, stone, marble, and brick facades of numerous buildings. The public is exasperated and protest is rising in many cities.
Guardi qui, pensi che hanno appena tinteggiato la facciata il mese scorso.
Non se ne può più, bisogna che qualcuno intervenga.
È una vergogna!
Cosa vuole che le dica? Questa è proprio maleducazione.
Our country's very image is suffering from it.
È veramente disgustoso. I really don't know. It's absolutely terrible.
The blight produced by graffiti on the walls of our cities has truly reached unbearable proportions. The costs to the community are very high. In 2000, the city of Milan spent over €5 million on cleaning the facades of buildings belonging to the municipality. So an educational campaign was promoted with the aim of calling people's attention to the problem and urging rapid solutions. BAYER, the worldwide chemical and pharmaceutical group present in 150 countries, has always been sensitive to environmental and social problems and has increased its efforts in the building industry in recent years. Research in this area has led to the development of Easy to Clean, a complete system for protecting exterior walls based on Desmotor, Desmofen, Bihydrol and Bidur, products of the group's raw materials division for paints, dyes and special application fields. This system is designed to protect surfaces against dirt, pollution and graffiti. Faithful to its mission, BAYER has once again provided the solution by working shoulder to shoulder with its partners. For the development and launch of the Easy to Clean system, BAYER collaborated with the Nuova SIVAM company, part of the Coim group, developing a polyurethane-based paint that is applied to clean surfaces to create an impenetrable film against graffiti. The Easy to Clean system is made up of different products that can be diluted with water or solvents and be applied in different ways. Primers, two-component paints used to prepare the base. Pro Wall, transparent or pigmented paints that create a permanent protective film. Removers, water-soluble biodegradable products used to remove the most widespread types of markers and paints. Easy to Clean responds to the call by the City of Milan and goes into action on a handsome building located in the city centre. This facade has undergone repeated heavy attacks that have caused visible damage to its surfaces. As part of the city's initiative, a specialized company intervenes. The defacement is widespread and requires a number of different treatments. The granite surface, which has different degrees of finishing and polishing, is treated with a paint-removing gel. In this phase, several coats of product must be applied in order to soften the layers of paint or ink. After the required time has elapsed, the markings are removed. Traditional removal on unprotected parts is long and laborious. Depending on the graffiti, scrapers, sponges, and even sandblasting are used. The perfectly cleaned wall is now ready to be treated with the two-component protection product. The components are measured in the right proportions and then thoroughly mixed. The paint is applied with a flat brush. For increased protection and longer duration, it is advisable to apply at least 2 coats of the product. In this case, for greater security, even the highest parts of the wall are covered. At the end of the treatment, the surfaces are perfectly clean and protected. The colour of their materials and their original shine remain unaltered. When the protective layer has dried up, we check the actual effectiveness of the treatment. Tests are set up using different sprays. The technicians can now proceed with the removal test using the specific remover gel. The results are extremely positive. Quickly and effortlessly, the graffiti disappear without leaving a trace, with a perfectly clean and protected surface. Easy to clean, the effective system against graffiti, dirt and pollution. Permanently protected walls, easy, ecological and economical. With easy to clean, produced by Nuova SIVAM with BAYER raw materials. For additional information, www.edilizia.bayer.it.